Hello again, what's going on everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at a cool little quick easy one, quiz on Marvel movies. Just because it's a good example of how we can start learning about dictionaries or hash maps, as well as some of the logic and looping that's built into Python. So let's jump into it. The first thing we're going to do is set up our dictionary. So dictionary is just a great way of storing information using key value pairs. So let's jump in and create one called quiz questions. Now within our quiz questions, we'll open up our braces here. Our first question is going to be, what is the name of Tony Stark's AI assistant? And then we're going to have a list of key value pairs here for our answers. We're going to make it multiple choice. So A is going to be Jarvis. B, Friday. C, Sarah. D, Kit. And then we'll have the last item here. We'll actually store our answer in here. So the answer, obviously A. Obviously, if you've seen any of the movies. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit here, and I have multiple questions already done. So I'm just going to copy and paste them in to save you watching me painfully type every single one of them out. And there we go. List complete, or dictionary complete, not lists. So list is really more what we would refer to as an array traditionally within programming. In Python we call them a list. So now we've got this in here. The next thing we're going to do is build out some of the logic that goes with how we make this from just a list of bits of information or a dictionary of information. Got to get my terminology right. And how we convert that into something that is functional. So in the vein of functionality, let's define our function. So we'll define run quiz. And we're going to take an input of questions. Now, what's the point of a quiz without a score? So let's establish a score variable. We'll just set it to 0 to start off with. And then we're going to iterate through each of the questions. So for question and options, in questions.items. So I've got our quiz questions. We are going to print out the question. Print question. And then we're going to loop through and print out our options. So for option value in options items. And then obviously we don't want to print out the answer option in there. So we'll say if option does not equal answer. So we'll skip anything that says answer. Print f, so we can include the variables in there. Option. And then value. So our option and our value. Excellent. All right. So now we need a way to prompt people to actually get an answer from them. So we'll take a variable called answer and we'll assign it to an input. Choose the correct option. Now we need to see if they're actually choosing the right answer. So if answer.upper is equal to options answer dot upper print correct. Now the reason why we've put those as both upper is that I suppose they're already input all in uppercase, so that probably isn't necessary to convert that to uppercase. But in the event that someone types a lowercase a, it's not going to match unless we convert it to uppercase automatically. So we'll take it, we'll convert it to uppercase, and then we'll compare it to the answers option. And, well, I mean, how do we know we're winning? Let's go score plus equals 1. Else, print, nope, better luck next time, sucker. Then let's just add a random print here, just so we can drop a new line in between all of our questions. Then at the end, we want to print F, quiz complete. Your final score is score out of the length len of questions. Full stop. Now, we're going to need a way to actually make this run kind of helpful. So let's add run underscore quiz, and we'll send in quiz underscore questions. Alright, let's go a little while, let's see if this works. Run script. There we go, up and running. Alright, what is the name of Tony Stark's AI assistant? Alright, we've chosen A, we've immediately thrown an issue. Let's take a quick look at what's going on here. Got references to line 60 and line 50. So line 60 is where we're starting things. So let's take a look at line 50. So it looks like it's how we're processing our answers. Declare our answer variable, we take an input, we say if answer upper equals options and we've got our options answer here. This is case sensitive. We've used capital A here, we need to use a capital A down here. Excellent, alright. Let's try that again. Oh. Down here, choose the correct answer, A. Ooh, correct, alright. Which Marvel superhero is blind? Daredevil. What is the name of the organization that recruits the Avengers? Let's go S.H.I.E.L.D. Who plays the role of Loki in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? Let's go a little crazy, we'll go Chris Evans. Oh, better luck next time, sucker. What is the name of the first Marvel movie released in the MCU? I actually don't know the answer to this one. I'm going to go with The Incredible Hulk. Nope, better luck next time, sucker. Perfect. Alright, and our final score, 3 out of 5. There you have it, folks. A great little introduction to the world of dictionaries and some logic in here. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you've learned something. If you liked it, then actually click the like button. If you want to keep up to date with what's going on, click the subscribe button. If you've got any questions, drop a comment down below. Feedback is always welcome. I'm still getting started with this whole YouTube thing, so I'm excited to hear your thoughts and help you out with anything that you might need support with when you're taking a look at these examples. Until next time, have a good one.